A road trip out of Tbilisi, a room with a view, and a lake 2,600 meters above sea level. We are in northern Georgia, and this is Draw on the Phone. Welcome back to Draw on the Phone. This is the brand new series of exploring Georgia. So last episode I was in Tbilisi, and this time I'm with my good friend Chaukhi from exploring Georgia. So this time he will be my guide and buddy to go all the way to the northern region of Georgia. What am I gonna do, Chaukhi?
So now we are in Gdori, and after this we plan to go in Juta village. There we are planning to hike a little bit near the Mount Chaukhi, to visit this Mount Chaukhi and small mountain lake, and then we are planning to go back in hotel.
Okay, sounds like a food day.
Yeah. There will be have some lunch and dinner and everything. Good Georgian food.
Oh, very good plan. Let's go north. Located on the western fringes of Asia and bordering on Europe, Georgia boasts of a rich culture that draws from both the east and the west. It is a mountainous country almost entirely in the South Caucasus, with some peaks over 5,000 meters. A perfect place for Draw on the Phone explores as we set out to bring you 4 great Georgian adventures. In this episode, we start in Tbilisi and follow the Georgian military road heading to northern Georgia. Along the way, there are several good viewpoints to stop at. We had a quick break at the Ananuri Fortress complex. The 16th century fortress that commands a high position over the Jinvali River provided shelter from the invading Mongols, and now provides a useful snack stop for tourists heading north. Back on the road, we pass a long line of trucks lined up waiting across the Russian border. When we passed the Bidara travertines, the bright color drew my attention. Travertines are formed by terrestrial limestone deposited around mineral springs, especially hot springs. The Bidara travertines are particularly beautiful and well worth a visit. From here, we continued to climb higher into the mountains of the Gaspiki National Park. Yeah, we just arrived at Juta, and Chaukhi told me I have to hike to our hotel. The car park for the hotel is at 2,041 meters above sea level, and the hotel is at 2,337 meters. But for the views, the steep 300-meter climb is worth it. I was very excited about staying a night up here in the mountains. For us, the day was still not finished as we moved on and started hiking up towards the Chaukhi Lake along the valley. It was much easier this time as the elevation is more gradual. Traversing a counter with a nice breeze, plus the late afternoon sunshine, kept us comfortable and allowed us to enjoy the mountains. But look at the view, it's amazing. I'm so glad I didn't take a DJ here. I will have to carry him uphill. The highest altitude we reached was about 2,600 meters, not bad for starting our acclimatization. There will be higher mountains to climb in later episodes. To finish the day, we reached a small lake popular among hikers. Wow, good, Chaukhi. That was a very easy walk up to this very beautiful lake. Chaukhi Lake?
Chaukhi Lake.
Chaukhi. Well, I never pronounced it right. But we're right behind the Chaukhi Mountain. The view is stunning. But Chaukhi told me if you want to do more hiking, you can go to another lake. What's the name?
Abu Delauri Lakes.
How can I pronounce that?
It's Abu Delauri Lakes.
Abu Delauri Lakes. It's about 10-kilometer walk from our hotel, right?
Yeah, but you should to cross the range about 3,000 meters from above the sea.
Okay.
It's more harder trekking.
Okay, well, it's day one in the mountain, in the high mountain. We take it easy, just a small circle. This is about halfway, 3K. We have another 3K to go back. Let's get going.
Let's go.
We took the other side of the valley to hike back to the hotel, giving us a different view and creating a loop. The downside was that we would have had to do river crossing. Really, really cold, but really refreshing. Nice. Oh, woo.
That's it.
Yeah, what a day, what a day. We started from Tbilisi, drove a little bit, all the way to Juta village.
Juta.
And then we went up to Chaukhi Lake. Chaukhi Lake. Very easy hike, 6 kilometers. Even that kid
Just a four-year-old kid can do
it.
this. That means everyone can do this.
Yeah, so if you got the chance to come to Georgia, into Juta region, you have to do this hike. The lake up there is amazing, super beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you, Toko, for bringing me here. So if you like the show and you want to see the next episode, we're gonna explore a little bit further. Please like and subscribe our channel wherever you see it. My name is Jack.
I'm in Toko, and
This is John the phone.
Drone the phone.
Bye bye.
I'm so happy that you saw the mountain, because very often the mountain is in the clouds and many people can see the Chaukhi Mountain. So you're lucky.